Have you ever wondered how to grow your money without having to work more hours? Well, imagine a seed. Just as planting a seed today can yield a lush tree tomorrow, investing your money now can lead to financial growth in the future. It's not about immediate gratification, but about the beauty of gradual, consistent growth. Think about it. The seed doesn't sprout overnight. It needs time, care, patience. Similarly, your investments need time to grow, patience to weather the fluctuations of the market, and consistent care in the form of regular contributions. Investing is not just about making money, it's about securing a future for yourself, for your loved ones. It's about having the freedom to live life on your terms, without the constant worry of financial instability. Now you might be asking, how can a beginner like me get started in investing? Investing might sound complicated, but it's actually just about understanding some basic concepts. Let's break it down. When you buy stocks, you're essentially purchasing a small piece of a company. Think of it like buying a slice of a much larger pie. Each slice or share represents your ownership in the firm. Now what about bonds? Buying bonds is akin to becoming a mini banker. You're lending money to a company or government, and in return they pay you interest over a set period and then return the original amount you lent them. So you're like a mini banker, lending out your cash and earning interest on it. Finally, mutual funds. These are like a basket of goodies. Instead of buying just one stock or bond, you're buying a diverse collection. A basket, if you will, filled with different stocks or bonds. With these basics under your belt, you're ready to take the next step in your investment journey. Now let's delve into some wisdom from Dave Ramsey, a renowned financial advisor and investment guru. A key piece of advice from Dave is the importance of investing for the long term. In his words, investing is about the long haul, not the quick return. It's about patience, not instant gratification. The stock market, for instance, is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool to grow wealth over time. Dave also stresses the importance of diversifying your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as they say. Spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk. And finally, Dave strongly advises against debt. As he often says, the borrower is slave to the lender. Avoid debt and instead save and invest your money. This way your money works for you, not someone else. Remember, as Dave Ramsey says, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. So what have we learned today about investing for beginners? Quite a lot, I dare say. We've embarked on an enlightening journey, beginning with the fundamentals of investing. We've discovered that it's not some mystical art, but a practice rooted in patience, strategy, and knowledge. We also delved into the invaluable wisdom of Dave Ramsey. His advice: start small, be consistent, and remember that every investment is like planting a seed. It might not seem like much at first, but given time and the right conditions, it can grow into something extraordinary. Patience, my friends, is the secret ingredient. It's not about making a quick buck, but building wealth over time. And consistency, that's your watering can. Regularly nurturing your investments will help them thrive. And there you have it. With these tips, you're well on your way to starting your investment journey. Remember, the best time to start investing is now.